sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of plane spotting at the LAX In-N-Out. Just in case you were wondering, the In-N-Out sits below the approach to runway 24 right at LAX. Wow! The reason I said wow like that was because I had seen that plane online and the plane really caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting to see that today. Here's a better look at that special livery. Before we take a look at the grand finale, let's take a look at a preview for next week's video. United, Delta, American. Which one of these airlines has the best basic economy offering and gives you the most bang for your buck? Join me as we fly on 3 different narrow-body flights with all 3 airlines to find out which one of these is really the best. This will be one of the biggest videos to date on this channel, so come back July 4th for that one. In case you were wondering, here's the details for the In-N-Out Burger. Pause to read. Now on to the grand finale. Watch out! The king is approaching! I knew that I would end up at the In-N-Out around 6 p.m. and this flight was supposed to land at 5:15. I'd been watching this flight for hours on Flight Radar 24 in hopes that it was late, and I got my wish. Well, that just about does it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.